ourselves to organize. Sasa haya
but huyu ni mtu anafanya kazi is our employee.
I think we were here this morning, and I was here very early in the morning at around 8, and I wanted to visit some suspects who were arrested yesterday. Yesterday and also Saturday. A number of 19 of them, with allegations that they are the people who actually, looted property in the county and also did destruction of buildings within the county premises. So we had a bit of challenges because, as you could hear from the interrogation of the investigating officer, that some of the suspects were actually transferred at 1 a.m. from Ol Kalou to Oljorok cells. Now, what you see here is a scenario where persons, and you could clearly see from the affidavit of the officer, saying that these are people who are actually exercising their right that is guaranteed under Article 37 to picket peaceably. And he goes ahead to say that they actually did that and told the people, you close your businesses because we are aware that state-sponsored goons are going to come and destroy property in the county. Because the protesters knew that there was a whole plan that was being orchestrated by this government to bring in goons to destroy properties in Ol Kalou, and so that they could fix a certain individuals. That has played out in court because, as you could see, the officers stammering are not able to answer questions at the interrogation by my learned colleague here, Mr. Honorable Paul Waduta. So this is our country now, and is a scenario where people are being detained. In fact, this state is asking for people to be detained. Asking for 21 days is actually what I would call travesty of justice, is a question of trampling on their Bill of Rights that Kenyans actually gave themselves. Kenyans actually indicated in the Constitution, for you to be detained, there must be serious reasons why you should actually be detained. And that is the argument that we have actually advanced in court. What we must tell the people who protested peaceably, you have that right. And we're also saying this, that the people of this republic must not be denied the rights that they gave themselves in the Constitution. Nobody should do that, not the state. Nobody should deny that. And number two, you can see the kind of investigation that the police are carrying out. Very short investigations, coming to court with nothing. In fact, nothing. Nothing. Very contradictory statement. Going ahead, even arresting minors and putting them in the same jail as adults. That is a contravention of the Constitution and the Children's Act. And that is why that child, a Form 2 in Huruma Secondary School, was actually released on free board. So this is what we are seeing in the country. What the people must know, and the people of Nyandarua must understand, is that we must keep fighting. We are even telling those people who have been arrested today that we must keep fighting, but fight within the confines of the law. But we must never be denied the right to exercise the right in the Constitution.
We are here at Ol Kalou Law Courts, and we just concluded the proceedings. The police brought an application, as it has been said, to seek to detain the suspects for 21 days, which application had no basis at all. And even the police officer admitted that he does not have any reasons to have them detained. So we are back here tomorrow in the morning at 9 a.m. for a ruling. Hopefully, they will be released. We have urged the court to release them unconditionally, and we hope the court will agree with our submissions. I would just want to make one remark or two. The trend that we are seeing nowadays, because we also took a bit of time to agree on how these people will be put in custody, is because of the unsafety of police detention. We understand people were moved yesterday at night after they were able to talk to their lawyers. Then today we found some in Ol Kalou, but eventually they were brought very late in court. But the court has been gracious enough. It has listened to us. It has listened to the other side. So my request is that let people exercise all the rights that are granted in the Constitution, including Article 37 rights. Rights to picket, rights to demonstrate, as long as somebody is unarmed and is not violent. That one is protected under the law and in the Constitution. So what we find the government doing is taking away these rights and now pretending that they want to grant you that right as they were in their conditions. That should not be the position. It is your right. The government should come to, within the law, limit that right within the law. Not that you are going to borrow or beg for a right from the government. So whenever there is a need to protest or to picket, please do it. Do it within the law. Don't be armed. Don't be violent. And whenever these situations arise in court, we'll always come, we'll always support our people, we'll always ensure that people are not put in a cage where they will be begging for rights. Of all the things, we will not be begging for rights. We'll be exercising our rights within the confines of the law.
Okay.